Welcome to our exploration of many modern woodworking projects designed to enhance your interior design. In today's fast-paced world, creating a living space that feels both functional and aesthetically pleasing has become increasingly important. Many woodworking projects offer a perfect solution for those looking to infuse their homes with a touch of creativity while maximizing space. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a curious beginner, the charm of crafting small yet impactful pieces can transform your environment. From stylish shelves to decorative accents, these projects allow you to express your unique style and bring warmth into your home. As we delve into this topic, we'll uncover how these miniature creations can serve dual purposes, blending beauty with practicality. The modern design aesthetic, characterized by clean lines and minimalism, pairs beautifully with the natural textures of wood, creating a harmonious balance in any room. By focusing on proportions, sustainable practices, and the versatility of mini furniture, you can curate a space that not only reflects your personality, but also promotes a sense of tranquility and organization. Join us on this journey as we celebrate the art of woodworking and discover how small projects can make a big difference in your interior design. If you enjoyed this exploration of many modern woodworking projects and found inspiration for enhancing your interior design, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more creative content. Your support means the world to us, and by liking and sharing this video, you're helping to build a community of woodworking enthusiasts and design lovers. We encourage you to stay tuned until the end of the video for valuable tips and insights that will empower you in your own woodworking journey. Together, let's transform our spaces into beautiful reflections of our personal style, one project at a time. In the world of interior design, small-scale projects can have a significant impact on the overall aesthetic and functionality of a space. Many modern woodworking focuses on creating pieces that are not only stylish, but also serve practical purposes. These projects allow individuals to express their creativity while enhancing the functionality of their homes. From shelves to decorative accents, the possibilities are endless when it comes to incorporating miniature wooden creations into your living environment. Modern design is characterized by clean lines, minimalism, and a focus on functionality. This aesthetic has gained immense popularity as people seek to create spaces that are both beautiful and practical. By integrating many modern woodworking projects into your interior design, you can achieve a cohesive look that emphasizes simplicity and elegance. The interplay of natural wood textures with contemporary forms can create a warm yet sophisticated atmosphere. One of the key benefits of many woodworking projects is their ability to serve dual purposes. For instance, a small wooden shelf can act as both a storage solution and a decorative feature. By thoughtfully designing your projects, you can ensure that each piece contributes to the overall functionality of your space. This approach not only maximizes your home's utility, but also minimizes clutter, contributing to a more serene environment. When designing mini furniture and decor, understanding proportions is crucial. Smaller items should complement the scale of your existing furniture and decor without overwhelming the space. This balance creates harmony in the room, making it feel well organized and inviting. Thoughtful proportions can also enhance the visual interest of your interior design, drawing the eye to the carefully curated details of your woodworking projects. Wood as a material brings warmth and texture into any space. By focusing on mini projects, you can showcase the natural beauty of wood while maintaining a modern aesthetic. Whether through simple geometric shapes or intricate carvings, the organic qualities of wood can enhance your interior design. Incorporating natural elements fosters a connection to nature, promoting a sense of tranquility within your home. In today's environmentally conscious world, sustainability is a vital consideration in any design project. Many modern woodworking allows for the use of reclaimed or sustainably sourced materials, reducing environmental impact. By opting for eco-friendly practices, you not only create beautiful pieces, but also contribute to a healthier planet. This commitment to sustainability can resonate with others and inspire them to make more mindful choices in their own homes. Engaging in DIY woodworking projects is an excellent way to personalize your living space. Each piece you create can reflect your style, preferences, and values. Whether you prefer a rustic charm or a sleek contemporary finish, the customization options are endless. This personal touch transforms your home into a unique sanctuary that tells your story and showcases your creativity. Many furniture pieces are incredibly versatile, as they can serve various functions in different rooms. For example, a small wooden table can be used as a bedside table, a plant stand, or even a decorative pedestal. This adaptability makes them an excellent choice for smaller living spaces, where maximizing utility is essential. By selecting multifunctional pieces, you can enhance the usability of your home without sacrificing style. In many homes, vertical space often goes underutilized. Many woodworking projects can help you take advantage of this area by creating wall-mounted shelves, hanging planters, or decorative racks. These vertical solutions not only add visual interest to your walls, but also provide practical storage options. By elevating elements of your interior design, you create a more dynamic and engaging environment. Layering different textures and materials can add depth to your interior design. Many woodworking projects can be combined with textiles, metals, and ceramics to create a rich, layered look. For instance, a wooden wall shelf can be adorned with decorative ceramics or complemented by a woven basket. This interplay of materials enhances the visual appeal and creates a more inviting atmosphere in your home. Storage is a common challenge in many households, particularly in smaller spaces. Many woodworking projects can address this issue by providing clever storage solutions. From compact drawers to stylish bins, these functional pieces help keep your space organized and clutter-free. By integrating practical storage options into your design, you not only enhance functionality, but also contribute to a more aesthetically pleasing environment. Natural light plays a crucial role in defining the ambience of a space. Many woodworking projects can be designed to accentuate light and shadow, enhancing the overall atmosphere of your home. For example, a wooden screen can create interesting patterns of light as the sun filters through. By thoughtfully considering how your pieces interact with natural light, you can create a warm and inviting interior. In conclusion, many modern woodworking projects offer a wonderful opportunity to enhance your interior design while embracing functionality and style. By focusing on small, thoughtful pieces, you can create a harmonious and inviting atmosphere in your home. Whether through DIY projects or carefully selected items, the integration of woodworking into your design can transform your space into a reflection of your personality and values. Embrace the creativity and craftsmanship of woodworking to elevate your living environment today. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in exploring many modern woodworking projects with us. If you found the content valuable and inspiring, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting updates and creative ideas. Your likes and shares not only encourage us to keep creating, but also help spread the joy of woodworking and interior design to a wider audience. We're excited to have you as part of our community, and we look forward to bringing you more innovative projects and tips in the future. Happy woodworking!